Hi everyone. I actually did. I am sorry. I am behind. Um, it's been a crazy 2 weeks. So I will be uploading videos probably tomorrow morning and finishing up on Sunday so I can catch up. I have not watched The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. I have not watched Married to Medicine. Um, so I gotta do those two. And then the Bell Collective comes back tonight. So I'll watch that and then take notes on that. And I have not watched, I have watched Love and Mary's Huntsville, uh, both of those. So um, I can do both of those videos pretty quickly in the morning. I just need to freshen up on what was happening. Um, because really it's just tidbits because I really wasn't riled up about much of anything. Um, but I actually hadn't seen this last episode. I've seen the episode before. So I probably should do that one and then I'll watch that one. So needless to say, I've had a death in the family, uncovering his life. He has no children. And it seems like everyone has been dying in the month of November. But well, in the past, like it seems like the trend for the brothers and grandma has been November. Um, to die. And it's just to me, it's overwhelming. But I really got motivated to come here and talk to you because I got something in the mail. And I was like, wait a second, I gotta talk to my people because I was like, what is this? Now, I've been getting a lot of boxes lately. So I didn't know what this was. And I don't ask me how I ended up getting a notification on UPS. So I already know that something's on its way, but they weren't clear about what that something was. Barbie, isn't that cute? They've sold out of these, so it just breaks my heart. Mm. But anyway, but without giving you my business, I got something in the mail. So let's open. I was like, what is this? So I already slit the open here, and it came from like Be Good. And I was like, no, it comes from Bay DC. And I was like, what is that? I don't even know what that is. So I ordered this on October 30th, October 31st. Today is November 10th. That's pretty good. But all of this is shipping from LA. So that's probably why I'm getting it kind of early because actually it's shipping from Cerritos. So it's like super, 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 super close. Okay. Super close to me. I can drive there and pick it up. Okay. Your computer didn't freeze. This is what it looks like. Oh, and girl, you can see me and all my, okay. Okay. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, right. What was that? Oh, hold on. There's that. There's some other stuff in here. Oh, let's open up the small thing. Let's see. Let's see. It's taking forever. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, how cute. It's for your purse. It's for your purse. This is so cute. So, so cute. Maybe if I'll do it like this. So if you want to scan it. Oh, it's a sample. Now, when I went to the concert, I knew that they were handing these out. I didn't get one though. Maybe I didn't get there early enough. Anyway, so this is what it looks like turning around, turning around. It's a pretty big box for perfume, for sure, for sure, for sure. Just to give you in scale, like my drink, it's pretty big. Um, okay. This is so exciting. So exciting. So exciting. Okay, more trash. Put that in the box. Put that in the box. Okay. It says Beyonce's name at the top, by the way. Okay. Okay. So let's open up the box. Right there. Pretty. Okay. And then let's open up. It's nothing on the back. It's just white. Okay. Let's see. It wasn't hard to open. Let's unbox it together. I'm putting dramatics because it's been a very sad 7 days. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So has a little card behind it. I was about to toss it. Let's see. What does the card say? It says celebrate your renaissance with the scent of Noir. Layers of golden honey are lit with energy of jasmine sabak, while white patchouli pulses through the cincinous base layers of amber and myrrh. It is the spirit of the night beating with sensual excitement. Let your encased in art, Senior reflects the person you want to see, the person you want to be. You're one of one. Senior, let your body talk and be free with the scent of self-expression. That is very sweet. You're one of one, the only one. Don't even waste your time to try to compete with me. No one in this world can think like me. I'm twisted, contradicted. Eyes on his lips. Lick it. Unique. Okay, I'm doing too much. Okay, so this is what it's. I'm gonna have to turn this light down because it's just glaring. It's just glaring. Okay, anyway. So this is the back. This is the front. I mean, yeah, I'm assuming this is the front because the name is on the front. Girl, do you know I'm gonna have to wipe this like a bazillion times because I don't like the fingerprints that I'm leaving. So here's that. And then you lift it up. Okay. FYI, this is an easy lift. So you best be careful. I don't like that, by the way, just so you know. I feel like they should have dipped this a little lower so it could have a nice little close fit so it can feel like they're connected. This way, if I turn it upside down, it's going to easily fall out. I don't like that, especially if I'm traveling. Okay, and then we turn it around, and let's smell it. Okay. I smell nothing. Okay, let me take it back. Let me see what it smells like. This is the faintest perfume I have ever smelled that is on a bottle. I This is like what my mom would want. I like when I walk past somebody smells me, but we're still giving it some tries. Let's spray it. Let's put 2 sprays. Let's put 3 sprays. Let's air it out. Okay. I'm gonna tell you what it smells like. I like it. And that's not a hesitation. It smells like Tiffany's. It smells like the first Tiffany's perfume. Um, yeah, it smells identical to the Tiffany's perfume. Let me pull up so that you know the name of the Tiffany's perfume. I can smell. I can spell. Um, mm, yeah, it smells just like the original Tiffany's. I don't. It's not the rose gold because the rose gold has a heavier smell. This is a very light, faint smell. They have a Tiffany's now has a couple of versions of their perfume, but it's the original OG Tiffany perfume. I don't know how to describe. I tried to find the exact name, but there really isn't an exact name. So if you have the original Tiffany's perfume, okay, maybe I'll share my screen and show you what it looks like. So I suggest before, if you don't want it, because you can't go to a store and buy it, you have to buy it online. Um, this is the one that I'm talking about. This is at Nordstrom. You should go pick this up and smell it and see if you like it. And if you don't like it, then you don't buy Beyonce's perfume because this is identical. Now, to be honest, um, I prefer the rose gold Tiffany's, and I'm a Tiffany's girl, so I have every Tiffany's perfume. And even when I don't really necessarily like it, which is clearly a waste of money. So it's Tiffany's is not my favorite perfume. None of them are. Uh they're okay. And so I usually wear those until they run out. And then when I run out of it and I go through some other perfume, then for the holidays, like this upcoming holiday, I buy it because I actually do. I mean, it's not like I dislike it. It's okay. And I don't mind it. So I'll give you a scale. One of my favorite perfumes is Mariah Carey, her first one, not the additional ones. The purple bottle of Mariah Carey is to die for. I think I still have some, which I don't even know. Let's see, do they even sell it? Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey. Oh, and I looked it up already. Oh, they do sell it. Oh, they sell it for cheap now. Because it used to be something that it was highly expensive when it came out. But yeah, oh, you could buy it for like $13. That's amazing. Anyway, Mariah Carey, the purple bottle M is my hands down favorite. It's just so good. My least favorite is like Chanel number 5. I hate Chanel number 5. This is in the middle. If I were to have seen this perfume out and about and they didn't tell me whose it was, would I have purchased it? No. But I'm glad I have it. It's not something it's not that I dislike it. Like I said, there's only one perfume I bought that I disliked and I took it back. Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I think it's Marc Jacobs. It just did not work for me. So and actually the irony, I don't like Donna Karan Cashmere Mist perfume, but I love their deodorant. Matter of fact, it's the holidays, and so I typically get my deodorant for the year from there. So, because you only need like 5 or 6 containers of their about two, you need about 6, and it'll last you through the year. Terrific deodorant. Anyway, I don't like the perfume though. So I only get deodorant. Uh, but would I wear this out in public with amongst the people? Absolutely. Because it's not a terrible scent for sure. Um, oh, you know what it smells like too? Obsession. The more that I'm wearing it, also look at Obsession, Calvin Klein's Obsession. Do you like Calvin Klein's Obsession? You'll like this. I thought all these years I thought my mom really liked Calvin Klein Obsession. She's like, no. I was too kind to a guy that she dated. He's dead now. And he bought it for her. And so that was a scent that he liked. And so she was wearing it when they dated, but she's like, yeah, I don't like the perfume at all because it's strong. This is a strong. The longer that I'm wearing it is smells like Tiffany's, but it also smells like Obsession. I'm a more floral kind of gal. So this is a little not my stilo, but I like rose scents kind of a thing. Lilac, some lavender. But that's all I got. I will see you tomorrow.